Okay, in this lesson we want to talk about logical operators, which we used logical operators a lot in our course. Okay, let's see it first in the real world. For example, we want to see under which conditions we will have rainbow. Okay, if we want to have rainbow, one condition is that it should rain, and the other condition is that we should have light. So we should have these two both together, and just with one of them we can't have rainbow. So let's see how we can put it into code. Let's create another function and call it logical operators. Okay. Here I want to create a variable, call it is raining, but this time of type Boolean. With Boolean, we will always have two states, whether it is false or true. For now, let's put it to false. And let's create another variable and call it light to see if we have light of type Boolean again, and put it to false too. Okay, now I want to create an if condition and say if these two are true, which means we have is raining true and light true. So we have both of them, and now we can have rainbow. So I will say is raining is equal to, I will say 2 equals because I want to say if is raining true. And here for saying that these conditions should be both true, I will say and if is raining and we have light equal to true. If this condition happen and we have both these variables true, let's print that it is we have rainbow. With message, for example, rainbow, with tag rainbow and message, we have rainbow. Okay, let's call the logical operators in the onCreate function. And here both of them are false, so this message shouldn't be printed. But let's see. Okay, the message you can see does not get printed. What if we have is raining true and light true? So we have both conditions, and this time we should have the log. Okay, we have rainbow, and if we don't have the rain and we just have light, this time it shouldn't be printed again. Okay, you can see that it doesn't print the we have rainbow log. And in this episode we understand that with these two and we say that both these conditions should happen. And for Boolean variables, if we want to say that is raining is true, we can just say is raining. It will say that it should be true. And here for light again, this means that is raining and light should both be true, so that this condition will happen. Now let's understand another logical operator, which is to or. Like this, we have to and, but this time to or. For example, let's create another variable. And this time, we want to see if the weather is cloudy. And we know that if it is raining, we will have a cloudy weather, and if it is snowing, let's call it is snowing, much more comprehensive. Of type Boolean, we will have a cloudy weather too. And by default, it is false. And you can see that if one of these conditions is true, we will have a cloudy weather, and we don't need to have both of them true. So we'll say if is raining true or is snowing true, we will have a cloudy day. So let's say log with cloudy tag and the message it is cloudy. Okay, let's see. And here I want to search for cloudy. Okay, none of them was true. So none of these conditions are true, and here we will have no message if the weather is cloudy. So let's put, for example, is snowing to true. Is snowing to true. This time one condition will happen, and because we have two OR logical operator, this should be printed. Okay, it is cloudy because we have is raining false. Okay, but is snowing is true. So one of these conditions happened and we have it is cloudy.